Congratulations on taking the first step and welcome to this new life-changing journey towards a healthier new you. Namaste, I'm Swapna Madhuker and I'm a keto nutritionist, author and founder of SugarSwap.in, and I will be guiding you through this wonderful life journey of MAD. Before starting your MAD journey, you need to be ready with some essential things which can help you in tracking your progress on the way. Let's have a look at them.
Food diary. A food diary is a daily log of what you eat and drink each day. Keep your food diary with you throughout the day. If you want to keep track on paper, select a notebook that will fit in your purse, backpack or pocket so you can carry it with you at all times. Food weighing scale, measuring cups or spoons. These will help you understand your eating habits. It will help you measure the quantity of sugar swaps, atta, mad coffee, veggies, protein, fat, etc. you are consuming while following this MAD diet. Multivitamins. Multivitamins are a very important addition to the MAD diet. You must have one multivitamin in the morning with a MAD coffee and one in the night with your dinner. Weighing scale and inch tape. These help you keep a track of your progress in your inch loss and weight loss through the MAD lifestyle. Water bottle. During MAD diet, you will need plenty of water to turn fat into ketones. This process doesn't just occur in the digestive tract. MAD diet is designed in such a way that your stored body fat is also converted into ketones, providing an extra energy boost between meals. Water is an essential tool for getting the most out of your MAD diet. Make sure you use a glass bottle, or the best is to use copper bottles for your daily consumption of water intake. Avoid using plastic bottles as they increase toxicity in your body. Yoga mat. It is also very important to keep your body fit while losing weight. Yoga is an essential tool for this to attain a perfectly fit and toned body during this process. Walking shoes. Walking is a low-impact weight-bearing exercise that can offer many health benefits. Regular walking has been shown to improve overall fitness levels, reduce stress, promote better sleep, and more. And while any type of shoe can be worn while walking, there are certain shoes that are specifically designed for walking and offer additional benefits. Get a good brand of walking shoes designed to provide support for your feet and ankles, which can help reduce pain and discomfort and are ideal for long walks or standing for an extended period of time. Smartwatch. Fitness tracking is a standard function on many smartwatches. It will assist you in meeting your fitness objectives. So if you're thinking about getting a fitness tracker or a pedometer, a good smartwatch can take its place. Smartwatches can count your steps, distance, calories, heart rate, pulse rate, and sleep. Some even calculate other crucial parameters too. Let's take a look at this once more. Food diary, food weighing scale, measuring cups or spoons, multivitamins, weighing scale and inch tape, water bottle, yoga mat, walking shoes, smartwatch. We are also giving the links to buy these in the description below for your convenience.
And do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.